Hey guys, this is Berner right here. Today I'm going to show you how to build this beautiful website. I'm very excited guys. I just finished building this website and guess what? I'm going to show you how to build this. Very nice website. Professional, clean, slick, very easy to navigate. Look at this beautiful website guys. This could be for your small business, your blog. If you're a freelancer, this could be your website, a personal website for a small to medium business. Look at this guys, look at this beautiful website. This site has everything you need and everything your visitor needs. Your visitor will find everything here guys. Look at this. This divided into sections. Look at this beautiful website guys. Very professional, clean, slick, very easy to navigate. Look at this. Look at this site. Beautiful guys. Have different sections here. Look at this. Look at this beautiful website, guys. We have a blog section, about us page, contact us page. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful website. Um, so guess what? We're about to start building this website together. So stay tuned. Let's get started, guys. All right, I'm very excited. Are you guys excited? If you guys are, let's start. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at it. First, let's start with the logo. We have our logo up here. Looks very nice, very clean, very professional. Then we have our menu next to it on the right. Have a full background image with the slideshow. We have titles here, subtitle, and a call to action button. Okay, you wanna link that into any of your pages where you want people to go when they come to this website or to this slide. Okay, let's take a look at the next section, which is our services. Have our title here, a little bit of text that could be more than one line, and then we have our services. Have our beautiful icons here. We have our link. These are links that go to a main page or to a page where it explains in details more about your service or product. So when you click on this, it takes you to this page. Same thing with this about us, brings us to this page. Graphic design brings us to this page, and you can add an image here. I'll show you guys how to do all that stuff. SEO, more details, complete page for more details. Next section here, it's portfolio or work samples. Title here, subtitle, a little bit of text, and these are categories. We have categorized this in two categories. You can add more than two. I'll show you guys how to do that. In this case, we only have two. Okay, so click through that. It only shows graphics. Click on this. It only shows websites. And then when it's selected, it shows all of them. And then here, this is a link that when someone clicks on it, it takes them to that page, to that post, where people can read about that, leave a comment. The comment that people leave here is going to show underneath the text here. Or if they just want to see the image, you can click that and scroll through it. This becomes a slideshow. Okay, let's take a look at the next section here. Next section is why choose us. So you would put your advantages over your competitors here. Have a nice image here that represents what we do. And then we have our about section. These are also full pages. These are links that link to full pages. Skilled, experienced, and professional staff. Okay, why choose us? That's our why choose us section. Next section here is meet our team. Have our team here. Title again, very persistent, very uniform. Little bit of text here. We have our picture here, social media, the name, and the title. These are links. So this is a link that takes you to another page that with more text. That could be the biography about that team member. Same thing with this. So whether they click here or here, it takes them to the same page. Okay. Um, Next section here is facts. Facts about you or about your company. Completed projects with a nice icon, clients with a nice icon, and the number. I'll show you guys how to change those numbers, how to add these icons, how to change the text, numbers, icon, followers, title here, subtitle. This could be your this is our partner section. This could be your clients, companies you work with. Next section now here it's testimonials. Little bit of text, picture, name, the testimonial. This is a slideshow. You can click through it. You can add more than 3. In this sample, I just added 3. Okay. Next section here, it's the latest post. Title, little bit of text. These are posts, and same thing. You can click on this, and it'll take you to the full post. Okay. All right. Finally, on the all the way on the bottom, when your visitor gets to this section, you want them to contact you. So you have your contact title there, a little bit of text, and you have more text here. This where you can, this where you have a chance to tell them to contact you to find out about your product, services. Um, you want to tell them there when they can fill this out, submit it, and you'll get that in your email, in your inbox. You can add more contact information there, so that way you don't leave them hanging out when they get to the bottom of the page. Okay, so gonna come back here and let's take a look at the other pages. So we have our team section here. This is just a list of our employees or our team members. And then we have our about page with a nice background image. This is consistent. This is the same image for all the pages, so it's consistent. Blog, so we have our blog here. This is where all our posts show. And then finally we have our contact us page, contact information, another contact form here. Same thing, people can fill this out and submit that form. As you guys can see, this is a beautiful site, professional, clean, slick. When I was building this site, guys, I took inspiration from some of the big companies out there, companies that have spent thousands if not millions of dollars on web design and research, see what works. And we're gonna look at the few samples right now. Okay, so when I was building this site, guys, I took inspiration from Spotify. They have their logo here, menu up here, have a title, a slideshow, and a call to action button. We have Apple here, title, the product, and a call to action button, a slideshow, full background image. Same thing here, logo, menu, full background image, a little bit of text, and a call to action button. We have Alexa here, logo, menu, a little bit of text, and a call to action button, and a full background image. And finally, this is just a few samples, guys. We have Accurate here, logo, menu on the top, full background image with a slideshow, and a call to action button. So these companies have done their research. They know this works. They know big images work. They know a little bit of text here, and you want. They know this design works. They've spent a lot of time and money doing researches and see what works. They've tested this and they know it works. So that's that's what we're doing today, guys. This could cost you a few $1,000s, but today you guys can do this for free. This beautiful website. I'm gonna do that together, guys. So no experience required, no coding required. Anybody can do this. If you're a blogger, freelancer, you own a small business, a medium business, or you just want to build a website, this is for you. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm very excited, guys. I'm very excited. Let's start. Okay, so this is what we're gonna need to get this site up and running. First thing we're gonna need to register a domain. Domain is the name of your business or your name if you just want to have a personal website. So this is www. This could be like google.com. That's their domain. Hosting, it costs $10.99 a month. WordPress, it's free. WordPress, it's a content management that is used for many websites, and a lot of companies use it. Theme, that is free. The theme, it's this whole this is where we're gonna build the site. And then web design, of course, that's free, and that's what we're gonna do today. Okay. This is a little bit of code that I'm gonna include in my notes. You guys gonna have all the images, everything that you guys see on this website. You guys gonna have that, so you guys can follow my my step by step, adding the videos, the text, everything. You guys will have everything, so you guys can build this with me together. Of course, you guys want to replace this the text and the images, but my suggestion would be let's build this together using the text and images that I'm gonna provide you guys, and then later on when you're familiar with the theme and WordPress, you guys can go ahead and swap those out. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna go ahead and register a domain. We're gonna go ahead and register a domain. We're gonna come here. This is a website or a company that I use for my websites. I've been with them for a few years now, and they're great. I like them. It's called HostGator.com. Okay, HostGator.com is a great company to host your website or to get your domains. You know, they take care of you. They have 24/7 support. They have a chat support, which is great. Sometimes you don't want to call, when you don't want to talk on the phone, you can just chat with them. They're there to help you. Okay, and you know, before I got to them, I was with some other hosting companies which I didn't really like much. I found HostGator. They're great, so I would recommend this to you guys. And you might ask why HostGator. Let's see. I just told you why, but you guys want to see it for yourself. Okay, so if you type in web hosting comparison on Google, gonna find PC Mag. Look, they've done reviews on this on different web hosting, and number one on their list is HostGator. Gonna look at hosting facts. This guy's also done reviews. They've tested different hosting, and guess what? Number one on their list, it's HostGator. So that's the reason, guys, why I'm recommending you guys this company. I wouldn't want you guys to go. I wouldn't recommend you guys a company that I know it's not good, you know. But so let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and click on hosting, and here we're gonna see different plans. They have 3 different plans. So they have hatchling, baby, and business plan. Business business plan is a little bit more than what we need, so we're gonna leave that out. Let's focus on hatchling and baby plan. What's the difference? Okay, you're gonna see here the only difference is this. This one only lets you host a single domain or a single website. So if you're only planning to have a one website, this would be a good option to have. If you're planning to have more than one website, you can go with this one. There's a price difference. If you're just starting out, this is your first site, and you know, I would go with this. And in this sample, we're gonna use this one. So we're gonna do that, and this is where we register our domain. So our domain, this could be your name, your business company. uh, Choose it wisely. Okay, so let's see. Our domain is gonna be how to make WP sites. I'm gonna see if it's available. Gonna click .com, and that is available. Okay, so when it's available, it gives you the green mark here. Okay, um, I'm gonna come here. If .com is not available, try to get a .com domain. If it's not available, the second option would be .net. Uh, but if you can get a .com, I would recommend a .com. It's the most popular extension out there. Okay, so this adds HostGator automatically adds this. We don't really need that, so in this we're gonna leave this out. This just adds extra cost to your bill. Alright, so second step here, it's choosing the package type. We already chose Hatchling. We know we're gonna get that one. So, and then next thing is choosing your billing cycle. Billing cycle is, they have 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 24. I mean 12, 24, and 36 months. And I would suggest 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months. As you can see, it's $10.99 a month. Okay. So go ahead and let's choose 6 months in this video. Okay. So you're gonna put your username. Gonna put your username. Pick up a pin. Pick a pin. And fill out your billing information. You guys should know this information. Go ahead and fill that out. Once you do that, you're gonna come to the fourth step. This HostGator automatically adds this for you. You don't really need this. Just adds extra cost to your bill. So you want to uncheck those. You can always get this later if you want, but I would say go ahead and leave that out. Okay, so our cost right here for 6 months hosting plan and 1 year domain, it's $68. Okay, gives you a coupon right there, but I have a better one for you guys. Right now it's only giving you $2.05. I have a better coupon for you guys which gives you more discount. It's XP Coder, and validate that. Look at that, it gives you $18 instead of $2. Okay, so make sure you use that code when you're signing up so you can get that discount. Okay, so you wanna, and then the last step here would be just agreeing to the terms and condition. You want to check that and click on checkout. I'm not gonna do it, I already did it, but you guys click on that. It takes like a minute to set up everything for you. Once that's set up, you're gonna get an email. You're gonna get an email to the email that you put here. The email that you put here, or here actually, you put the email here. So go ahead and check your email. You should get an email where it says your account info. Okay, so there you're gonna have all your account information. So you're gonna click on where it says your control panel. There's a link there. You're gonna want to click on that link and put in your login information. So you have your login information here, your username, domain, password, and some other stuff. You don't really need this, but it's good to have it. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna copy this, put that password there, and select that, right click, copy, right click, paste. Okay, alright, so screen you're gonna see when you log in, it's this one, and what we're gonna need is WordPress one-click installation. Okay, there you go. Once you're here, you guys are making progress. Alright, so let's go ahead and create install WordPress. Gonna click on this. It's gonna take a little bit here. Let's just wait for WordPress to do its thing. There you go. Then next screen is this one. This is where you select your domain. In this case, we only have one domain, so you guys should have only one too. So you select your domain, and then leave that blank, and then just click on next here. Then here we're gonna fill this out, and these are stuff that you can change later. um, so you can just put like anything there for now. I'm gonna put admin here and put my name. This is for your for WordPress, and then admin info email. So I'm gonna do my email here. Okay, want to make sure that's checked and click on this one. Once you do that, gonna go ahead and click on install now. Okay, so you guys should see that installation complete, and then it gives you your your login. So you want to make sure you copy this and put it on Notepad somewhere. Save that because you're gonna need that later. Okay, on mine, I'm just gonna put that there. This is where we can put in all our notes. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and click on this link and click on admin login. And this is where we put our username and password. Okay, paste that there, copy our password and paste that there. Alright guys, we have WordPress installed, and this is what we see when we log in. I'm gonna go ahead and put no thanks there, and this is WordPress, guys. So the WordPress is already installed on your domain. Let's take a look at it. So but you can go by just clicking here, hover over this and click my site, and this is what your site looks like. See, it's blank, it's empty, there's nothing there. So we're gonna build this, but we already installed WordPress. So this is the first step, installing WordPress. Actually the second step, like we say here, third step. So third step, we're on the third step now, installed WordPress. Okay, so we're gonna come back here to dashboard, and we're gonna come here. Alright, so this is where the whole thing starts, guys. Gonna click on themes, and then we're gonna click on the plus sign right here, and we're gonna search for the theme that we're gonna be using today. The theme is called #1, so we're gonna do #1. Gonna just type that in, and that is the theme. Okay, hover over that and you're gonna see that button where it says install. Click on that. Now it's installed, and we're gonna activate that. Okay, so once it's activated, let's take a look at the site now. Okay, so we have installed our theme. So that's what the theme does. It's a theme. So this is what we're gonna customize. This is how it looks now with nothing there. Everything's empty. This is just, some sample stuff that's there. Alright, so let's go ahead and start customizing this theme. First thing we're gonna do here is go to pages, all pages, and delete this one and trash that. There's nothing there. Second thing we're gonna do is go to appearance, menus, click on menus, and we're gonna create our menu. And the menu is gonna create this menu. So we're gonna come back here, gonna bring this here so we don't get confused. So this is the sample, and this is the one we're building. Okay, so we're gonna refresh that, and let's go ahead and go to dashboard again and menu. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and call this main nav. Okay, we're gonna create that, and we're gonna check primary menu. Okay, so once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and click on customize, and this is what we see, guys. Gonna go to general settings, click on that, site and title tagline. We're not gonna display this because we're gonna add a logo, so we're gonna go ahead and uncheck that, and let's add our logo here. Select logo. Gonna upload our images, so here, this is where you upload your images. Again, the images I'm gonna give you guys, so you guys can just find it on your computer wherever you have it saved and just select all of them. We're gonna upload it once so we don't have to do repeated work here. Okay, so we're gonna choose the first image, and then on your keyboard press shift and select the last image. Okay, that selects all the images, and then you just click on open. Give it a minute to upload all of them. Some of these images are big, so it takes some time to upload them, but it's usually quick. It's almost done now. You can see the progress here. It has uploaded 13 of 28 images. Small ones upload really fast, big ones take a little bit to upload, but not that long. Okay, so it's almost there. Alright, okay, so the logo that we need, so everything has been uploaded. We're gonna need this logo, so this is the logo. It's called logo PNG. Okay, select that. You skip cropping here, it's already resized, so we don't need to crop it. Skip cropping, and our logo is there. Okay, so once you do that, you save and publish it. Click on this, and I think that's it for now. So that's all we have to do there. So next thing we're going to do here is the header background. Okay, so in our sample, we're using this header background, this one, keyboard with the iPad on it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove this and select our image. Gonna find that image, which is this one. It says header BG, header background. Okay, choose image and save it. Okay, I'm gonna click on this right here, and we're gonna leave this as is. So everything, we just need the header here, and then we're gonna click here. Next thing we're gonna do here is get to the home page. Okay, we're gonna go to home page sections and start building that website, that home page. Okay, first section we see here, the slider section. Okay, so here we're gonna add the images. Right now there's no pages, so we gotta create these pages. So this is where we set the images, I mean the pages. We're gonna set the pages here. So right now we're gonna create 3 pages. Let's go ahead and get started on those pages. Okay, so let's exit that out and come back here to pages, all, and there's no page right now, so we're gonna go ahead and create that first page. We're just gonna create that by clicking on add new, and the first slide that we're gonna create, it's this one. So we're just gonna come here to the demo, select all this text right here and paste it here. You want to make sure you go here, click on text, so it was on visual, click on text and paste it there. Okay, the first line, we're gonna go ahead and cut that and paste it as the title, put it as the title. Okay, and just leave that as is. We're gonna change the layout here, full width layout, and this is where we add our background image. Background image for that is, I believe it's this one. Yes, it's this one. Is it? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so we're gonna choose that one. Once we choose that, we're gonna go ahead and click on set featured image and change that to, no, leave that as is. So you can go ahead and leave that as is, default template, and publish it. Okay, gonna create a second page. Second page is this one. Copy the text. So text is already selected, so you just paste that there. Copy this, cut, and paste that there. Publish that. So this text right here, it's the big text that shows right here. It's this, and the subtext or the subtitle is what it goes here. Okay, so you guys can add more than that. You know, you can put more words here. There's no limitation there, but you want to make sure you don't put that much, because you want to just put your key points there. Okay, so you do that. That's the second page. Third page, it's this one. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that and create a new page here. Paste that there, cut, and paste that there. You choose the layout, full width, choose a featured image, and the image that we use here is the one with the code, computer with the code. Okay, set the image there and publish. There is one thing that I forgot to do on the other pages, but let's do it on this page, and we're gonna add it to that page too. I forgot to add the button, so we need to add this button right here, and that's where the code goes. And I have this code for you guys. So it's this code right here. So you just select it from this to this. So you're gonna go ahead and just copy that and paste it here. Paste that there, and you guys can change this learn more to something else. You can change that, and you can go here by, you can just change it here. This, change that there. Leave everything as is, just change that text. And the link, this link right now is linked to the contact us page. We haven't created that page yet, but it's linking to that page. You can link that to any page in your theme. So the way you change the link, let's say you wanna link that to this page instead. So you go and select that, copy it, and you just replace this link right here. So from here to here, so between the quotation marks. Okay, so once you do that, you just replace that text right there, paste. Okay, and then you publish that. Okay, so we forgot to do it on the other pages, so let's go back here and add it to the other pages. So we need to do it on this one. Gonna go ahead and just copy this, copy, paste that there, update, and let's go ahead and do it on the second one, which is this one, responsive websites. Paste, and it's there. Okay, this one we forgot to change the layout too, so let's change that. And looks like we forgot to put the background image too, so let's go ahead and put that there, and make sure you add that. This is the background image that we're going to use there, and update that. Okay, all right, so now let's go ahead and add that to the home page. Right now there's no okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So you can go ahead and just click on this. Actually, let's duplicate this. So we're gonna go ahead and let's see, duplicate this. Yeah, let's go ahead and duplicate that. So once we're there, we're gonna click on visit site. So we're seeing the site that we're building. We can see the site that we're building right now. There's no slideshow there, so let's go ahead and add that right now. Appearance, customize, and come back to the home page, slider section, and now we're gonna now the pages are available. So we're gonna go ahead and choose. We have the solution. That's gonna be the first slide. And choose the second one, which is responsive websites, and the third one, which is we use WordPress. So as you can see, the slideshows are there. Okay, once you do that, you save and publish. Click back here. Next section here, it's this section right here. As you can see in the demo right here, we don't have that section. We hit that section. We don't think we need that there. So you can hide some of this section. So in this one, it's hidden. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna go ahead, and it just doesn't really make sense having this here. Now we want to have our feature right below the slideshow. So we're gonna go ahead and just hide that. So it says here the save about section. Let's go ahead and set that to yes. So now it's gone. Once you do that, you save and publish it. And here we're gonna go ahead and set up our featured section. Okay. So we're gonna change the text from our featured to our services. Okay. Gonna leave that there. I mean, you want to change that when you're building your own website. That for this, just for this video, we're gonna leave that as is, and we're gonna change the icons. Okay. So let's see what is the icon here. It's a computer. Let's go ahead and look for a look for that computer. Let's see. Scroll down. There's a few here, so sometimes it takes a little bit of time to find the right one. Scroll down. It's that one. Okay, it's there. And then click that. It closes that for you. And the next one is that should be e-commerce. Okay, so e-commerce, that's also somewhere. It's a cart. It's that one. Click on that, and then the next one is graphic design, and we're gonna find the image icon. It's this one. Okay, click on that, and then the last one is the search icon, this one. Okay, and here we haven't created the pages. These are pages. Right now, just using the one of the pages already created, but those are not the pages that we're gonna want here. We're gonna create pages, as I showed you guys on the when I presented this website. These are each page, so this is a separate page. So we're gonna create those pages right now. We're gonna create 4 pages, just like what we did with the slideshow. We're gonna create those pages. Okay, so once we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and save that. Click on exit, and we're gonna add new pages. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and refresh that, and let's see how it's looking like. So, okay, so we already have our slider and our services page. We just gotta add the pages here. So here we're gonna go ahead and copy this, paste that there. Click on that, and let's select the text. Oh, okay, well, let's go here actually. So we'll click on that and copy this text right here. Copy, paste that there. Same thing, you're gonna go ahead and set that to full width and leave it as is. Guys, you guys can also put if you guys want, you can put an image here just by clicking on add media. So if you want to add an image there, you can do it like that, just inserting an image. In this case, we're just going to leave it like that, but you could do it if you want. Okay, so we created that page, and then next page here, it's this should be e-commerce. Gonna yeah, this is just dummy text, so it doesn't really matter. So we're gonna copy the text from that page, and we're gonna create an e-commerce page. E-commerce, right click and paste that there. Select full width layout, and we have our e-commerce website or page. Next one here is graphic design. Go ahead and copy the title first. Copy that. Right click, paste that, and copy the dummy text. Select full width, publish it, and the last one here, which is the SEO page, add new, paste that there, and let's copy the text, paste that there, and publish it. Alright, so once you're done with that, we're gonna come back here to customize, and we're gonna add those pages. Okay, gonna go to homepage sections, and we're gonna do featured section. Okay, so we're either doing web design here, gonna choose that one. Second one here, it's good as is, e-commerce, that is good. We're gonna change this one to, I believe it's graphic design. It's this one actually, yeah, graphic design. And last one, it's SEO. Okay, so we have the corresponding pages here. Once you do that, you save and publish. Okay, so let's see what's the next section here. It's what we do with love. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at that section. We're gonna come back here and take a look at that section. That is the portfolio section. So what we can do, go ahead and just copy this, and of course you guys can put your own text there. Paste that there. I'm gonna leave that text there. You can, as you can see, you can put a little bit of text there and publish that. So the next thing we're gonna do here is creating the posts, the category and the post. Okay, gonna go ahead and create that. It's gonna create a category first. Gonna go ahead and exit this out, and we're gonna come to post. Click on all posts. There is a sample post there. We don't need that, so we're gonna go ahead and trash that. And here we're gonna come to categories, and the categories that we're gonna create are websites and graphics. Okay, so once we create the categories, we're gonna go ahead and create the posts. Okay, so we're gonna come here, all posts, and create new. Okay, we're just gonna create some sample posts. So we're gonna do website 1, and would be this one. Oops, so we're gonna click on the link here, copy, paste that there, and we're gonna insert our I'm gonna change the layout too. I'm gonna insert our image. Here it doesn't really matter which image you use. Just make sure one of these are the ones that I'm gonna use. I've named them properly. So I think the San Francisco, let's use that for a website, San Francisco. And then we're gonna put down their websites, okay? Second one is gonna be website 2, okay? Again, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this text, paste that there, change the layout to full width, check websites, and set featured image. In this case, we're gonna choose Paris, set featured image, publish. And we're gonna create the third one, website 3. Copy the text again, paste that there, change the layout to full width, and set our featured image. We're gonna choose New York, that's the other one, and select websites there. Fourth one, website 4. Copy this text, paste that there. Again, change your layout, select websites, and choose it's not that one, it's this one. So London, choose London. You want to make sure you're using this images. You don't want to use this one because this is so big. This is for something else. We haven't used that one. So um, all of this are small size images, so you want to use that one. So this these are the ones for the website, and these are the other ones for the graphics. We're gonna add that right now. So I have resized those to fit properly. Okay, so I'm gonna select that one. Okay, so that's we have created 4 website samples. Now we're gonna create the graphics. Graphic 1. Again, I'm gonna put the text there. Just copy that, paste, select full width. Now we're gonna create graphics. We're gonna put this under graphics. Okay, so gonna graphic. Gonna do this one. I'm gonna use a graphic 4. Publish it. Graphic 2. Copy the text, paste, select full width layout, and select the other graphic. You can choose graphic 3. Put that under graphics, and the next one is we're gonna call it graphic 3. Copy the text again, paste that there, select the layout, select graphics, set featured image, and we're gonna set the fourth image here, which is this one, graphic 1. Actually, it's this one, it's graphic 2, this one. You want to go in order. Okay, so set that there and publish it. Alright, and gonna put the last one here. This is gonna be the last graphic. Again, you guys can put more than that. In these samples, I'm just putting 4 and 4. But you can put more than that or less than that. You don't have to put the exact same number of posts. I can only show one row. Okay, graphics. And set that That's the one. We chose that one. So if you guys were only putting 4, it would only show one row here. So it would be, actually, is that yeah, it's this one. So right now there's 2 rows. There's 4 here and 4 here. So let's say you're only putting 4, it will only show one row. If you're putting more than that, it's gonna show more. But in this case, we're just gonna put 4 and 4. Okay, so once you're done with that, gonna go to customize, home section, and portfolio. Okay, so here we're gonna select all these categories. Oh, actually we forgot another category. We forgot the all categories. So we're gonna have to fix that. Right now it should show some. Yeah, so you can see it's not showing all of them because we're not showing the one that shows all. So we're gonna go ahead and add that. So we're gonna come here and create another category called all. All. And we're gonna come back to the posts. I'm gonna come here and just click on quick edit, and we're gonna add that in check all, so that what we're doing there, we're adding it into that category. All, 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 and all here. Okay, once we do that, we should be able to see all of them now. So let's go ahead and refresh that page. And okay, so one more thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add that in the section here. So we're gonna go to homepage, sections, portfolio, and select all. Okay, once we do that, we're gonna publish it, come back to this, refresh it, and there we have it. Nice. Alright guys, look at this. It's really looking very nice. Alright, so we're gonna get to the next section here. We're like halfway, guys. Actually more than that. We just have very few left on the home page. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do here is replace this image here and create these pages. Right here there's 6 pages. We're gonna disable one. We're just gonna put 5 there. So let's see how we can do that. Okay guys, so let's create the next section, which is the service section. Service section, why choose as, you know, you can replace that. In this case, we're gonna leave it as is. Seems for you. Okay, so we're gonna remove this. We're gonna replace this image right here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. Select the image, and the image we're gonna use there is, where do we have that image? This one. Okay, why choose us? YS. Okay, go ahead and insert that there, and next thing we're gonna do is choose the icons, the corresponding icons. So we're gonna go back here to our demo. So the first thing we're gonna do, this should be affordable. So let's type in affordable. Let's do, let's see here. Oh, actually, yeah. So in this case, we're gonna use the, yeah, we're gonna have to create the pages here too. Right now, we're just gonna set the icons and then create the pages. So affordable, we're gonna look for the credit card icon. Credit card is right here. Okay. And next one is gonna be knowledge. Can look for like a notepad, a notebook, somewhere over here. It's that one. Next one is gonna be skilled, so it's gonna be the code tag. find us somewhere over here. Let's see here. Somewhere. Okay, so it's that one. Next one is the briefcase experienced. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look for that one. It's experienced. Let's see here. Experienced. Gonna click on that, and last one, it's gonna be the professional staff. So I'm just gonna click this one. Okay. And we're gonna disable this one. We don't need that one, so we're gonna disable that, and we can disable it just by selecting select here, and that goes away when we select that. Because we're not. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so we have 5 pages that we have to create. Once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and save and publish. Gonna exit that out, and we're gonna go ahead and choose the images. Create the images or the pages. Sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add new page, and we're gonna call this one affordable. Affordable. Add the link here. Gonna go ahead and click on this. The link that is here right now, it's the wrong one. It should be affordable. Change that. Change the layout to full width. Publish that. So this is quicker because we don't have to upload the image. So once we do that, we're gonna go to the next page, and this would be knowledge. And again, choose the get the text from there, copy, paste, select the layout, publish it, come back here, and let's choose the next one, which is skilled. Oops. So we're gonna choose this one first. You can type that in if you want, whichever is faster. I think it's faster to copy and paste it, so I'm gonna just copy that and paste that there, and then click on that and copy the rest of the text, paste, change the layout, publish it, experienced, copy, copy the text, paste that there, select the layout, publish it, and gonna be the last section here, which is professional staff. Okay, copy that, add, and gonna copy the text. Okay guys, so this completes this section, and now we're just gonna have to add those pages. Customize, home section, and let's see here, service section. Okay, so here we're gonna choose affordable. Affordable, it's already chosen there actually. Affordable, and then here it's knowledge. Okay, choose that, knowledge, and then here skilled, experienced here, and professional on the last one. Okay, choose professional here. Okay, let's see. Alright, so there you go. That's how it looks now. So now we have the pages there. I'm gonna go and save and publish that. And now the next section is building the theme section. Okay, so I think I'm gonna cut the video here because YouTube doesn't let me upload more than 1 hour video. I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna continue on the second part. So I'm gonna start on the second part on this video. Okay.